You don't need a yoga studio to practice yoga. You might, for some reason, be stuck at home and be visiting your kitchen a lot. So I'm going to show you how you can do a few simple things in the kitchen. So come with me. Maybe you're waiting for the kettle to boil, and while you're waiting, you could put your hands on top of the kitchen bench, walk your feet back, a little knee bend, and drop your chest down between your arms. So you're stretching through the shoulders, the chest, even the backs of the legs. How about this? While you're there, why not turn it into some push-ups? So come back up, walk your feet in a little bit closer, and keep your spine and your core, your whole trunk straight. Hands on the bench, you're gonna lower down and push back up. Lowering down, and this might even be your chance to work on those tricep push-ups with the elbows tucked in. So you're lowering down, coming back up. All while you're waiting maybe for something to cook. So now that you've done that, your pectoral muscles might be feeling a little bit tight, so we're going to stretch them out. All you need is a wall. Could be the oven, could be the cupboard, any old wall will do. So 2 ways we're going to do this. The one is with the arms straight and with the fingers parallel to the floor. Move your chest in towards your armpit and then walk your body back until you can feel that stretch, that tug along the index finger like a nervy stretch down the middle of the arm to the pectoral muscles. And then change. So have a play around that angle. There's that moving of the body and then there's the walking back, and you'll find that sweet spot which is giving you a beautiful stretch. The second way to do it is with a bent arm. Have your arm on the wall and say, oh, not that wall. Having your arm here and twisting and doing both sides. But while we're here, come and have a look at the bread that I've got. So in this pot, I have the sourdough bread proving, which means rising. And this is a no-knead sourdough bread, which means you don't have to get your hands in there and knead it up. And I've posted the recipe on Instagram, Facebook, so check it out. Namaste.